Good morning, viewers. You are watching a breaking news with me, Anil. Okay, the news this time we will explore tourism in Sintang, West Kalimantan, Indonesia. To be precise, in Kelam Permai. Let's see the full news with Mrs. Teresia. Please your report.
Thank you, Mr. Anil. So at this time, I will invite you viewers to the tourist attraction in Kelam Permai Hill.
Kelam Hill is an iconic tourist attraction in Sintang, West Kalimantan. Interestingly, this hill is not from the ground but from a low rock. It is located in sub-district of Kelam Permai, Sintang District, West Kalimantan. Along the way, a traveler will be presented with natural views on the left and right. Kelam Hill is one of the largest and highest monolithic rock formation in the world with a height of about 1,002 meters. Many tourists are coming to the camp in the middle of the charming natural panorama of Kelam Hill. Bukit Kelam is also one of the tourist destinations as well as sports such as rock climbing and paragliding. The hike to the top of Kelam Hill takes about 4 to 5 hours to go up and 3 to 4 hours to go down. Recently, there is a spot whose name is Amazing Kelam Hill. Amazing Kelam Hill is a very popular among tourists as a photo spot.
Bentuknya ya seputaran sawah musni ya. Pengunjung hari libur, hari Sabtu, Minggu, hari raya, pokoknya hari-hari biasa pun ada juga.
Not only that, there are still tourist sites around the Kelam Hill, such as Mary Cave tours, retreat houses, spiritual tours, and lake water tours. That is the report from me, Teresia Octavia. Back to Mr. Anil.
Okay, still around the tourist attraction in Kelam Indah District. This time, we will take you to spend inside longhouse or called Rumah Bentang and Said. With Mrs. Yuni Octaviani, please your report.
Thank you, Mr. Anil. I will invite viewers to the Rumah Betang Said Panjang village. Said Panjang is one of the villages that holds so many ancient relics, one of which is an old house called Rumah Betang. The areas of the Daya village subtribe in Said Panjang, especially Kelam Permai district, Sintang district, West Kalimantan, still maintains in the tradition from generation to generation in the big house or the Betang house. This place is the main destination for local and foreign tourists. With a background of mountain top, Rumah Betang and Said Panjang stands firm with a simple architecture, the patterns present a nuance that is one with nature. In fact, almost all of the building materials come from nature. It is precisely because of its simplicity that hundreds of tourists come to visit the traditional house which is located in the inside village every year. Not only that, the number of researchers who have lived and documented the daily activities of indigenous peoples from the Iban parent tribe. This house has each of around 12 meters with a wooden floor distance from the ground about 2 meters. Based on some biased information, the head of Runtop Selatan Hamlet, the Betang house has moved many times. The last time, the Betang house was moved about 100 meters from its original place in 1981 and was able to be occupied in 1986. There have been many times the Betang house was moved from its original place since the indigenous Daya Desa community sheltered in Said Panjang about 200 years ago. Pak, jadi aku mahasiswa dari IKIPGRI Pontianak. Kak ngewawancara Nuan tentang Rumah Betang di Desa Said Panjang tuh. Di itu aku ngaju kedua pertanyaan. Jadi kapan berdiri tahunnya Rumah Betang tuh?
terima kasih. Jadi nama saya di Mulai Kepala Wilayah.
Oke, pertanyaan lagi Pak. Biasa nanti pas COVID itu pengunjung data ya agak-agak mana terus biasa jumlah-jumlah berapa ya?
Baik. Untuk saat itu lah ya, untuk di masa pandemi itu memang agak kurang pengunjung karena mungkin
Ya menepak teka kami tanya ke. Makasih Bapak.
sama.
Alright, thank you to Yuni and Teresia. Those viewers were the copyright to our two presenter. For those of you who are in Kalimantan can visit the tourism attraction easily and quickly. And that was the news for today. I am Anil. See you.